Ni itura-ini ria Gicuri Gatundu ya Muhuro kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria mwiri wa John Ngumi uthikuritio. Uthikurio uhanikite thutha wa mwari wa nyina na mutigaire Jena Luda hamwe na muru wa nyina James Ngumi guthii igoti-ini makienda thuthuria makiria wiko hari mwiri wa Ngumi magikuira ya gukorwo oragirwo ni mutumia wake hamwe na ciana ciake mweri muhituku.
Our brother did not have any health conditions, you know, like high blood pressure or diabetes or anything, and that's why we are concerned, because when we heard that he died abruptly, we wanted to know that why or what caused this death.
Same day baada ya mazishi nilipatana na watu wanakaa vikudi wakaniambia your brother didn't hakufa ile kifo halali, ni kama alipigwa hapo kwa boma yake.
Kuringana na nganja cia gikuũ iki ciambiririo thutha wake kuhuruka, kuna ndari na thina o wothe wa mwiri kuria erikanire gukua thutha wa kugwa athiete gwiteithia.
During the maoborezi, we call it maoborezi, we were together all through until the burial date. But then one thing led to another, and we felt like as a family we felt like we don't have closure. We don't have closure because we don't know what killed him. How can we rest and sit not knowing what killed our brother?
Nilipata my brother amefunikwa na shuka all the way kutoka kichwa mpaka kwa miguu. Nilienda tu nikamuinua hiyo shuka, nikaona uso dio yake, lakini at the same place or at the same time nikapata tubo yake imefula hivi, na hakuwa na tubo hata kidogo. Alikuwa mtu fat kwa tubo.
Muru wa nyina agatariria uria agire kuiguithika iguru rigie gikuũ giki, niwa gitariria ati athanganirie undu uyu ona mwiri wake, guku ningi akiuga ona aria marigaini na muciĩ uyu ni makoretwo mekiriire nganja gikuũ giake.
Watu wa kijiji hiyo walituambia hao watu hawakuwa wakiishi vizuri, hawakuwa wakiishi kwa raha kwa hiyo nyumba, na inaonekana watu wana suspect, the villagers wana suspect the wife and the two children they are the killers. The rumors that was spread after the...
There is no dispute about anything. We just want to know the circumstances that led to the death of our late brother.
Thutha wa uthuthuria wa mwiri wake, muthuthuria wa Mary Johansen Odur augite uthuthuria wa mbere ndunahota gukũrana kuna kiria kioragire mutigairi, uthuthuria makirio gitanyo kuhanika laboratory-ini nene cia thirikari.
We've taken some samples for analysis, and which include toxicology and microscopy. Toxicology is study of poison and drugs which could have contributed. So once the analysis is conclusive, we'll be able to have a look and conclude what actually killed the late John Kabugi.
Thutha-ini mwiri wake ni uracokirio kaburi-ini, riu andu a family magitanya kuheo moimirira ma muthia ma uthuthuria uyu. Handũ-ini ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.